Modern concrete homes' timeless designs blending nature and luxury on mountain terrain. Introduction: The allure of modern concrete homes. Modern concrete homes represent a sophisticated fusion of timeless design and contemporary luxury, particularly when set against the dramatic backdrop of mountain terrain. These architectural marvels leverage the raw, enduring qualities of concrete to create structures that not only withstand the elements but also blend seamlessly with their natural surroundings. In today's video, we will explore how modern concrete homes combine durability with elegance, offering a unique blend of nature-inspired aesthetics and high-end living. If you're passionate about architecture, interior design, or looking for fresh home inspiration, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. The strength and durability of concrete. Concrete has long been celebrated for its strength and durability, making it an ideal material for homes situated in challenging mountain environments. Its robustness ensures that modern concrete homes can endure harsh weather conditions and the test of time. Beyond its functional benefits, concrete also offers a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that is highly desirable in modern architecture. We'll dive into how the structural integrity of concrete supports innovative design solutions, including cantilevered decks and expansive open spaces, while also providing a solid foundation for luxury. Blending with nature, integrating concrete homes into mountain landscapes. One of the most striking aspects of modern concrete homes is their ability to harmonize with the natural landscape. The use of concrete in these designs allows for bold architectural statements that simultaneously respect and enhance the surrounding environment. Large glass windows, green roofs, and natural stone accents are often incorporated to bridge the gap between the home and its mountainous setting. In this section, we'll explore design strategies that help modern concrete homes blend seamlessly with their surroundings, Timeless design elements in modern concrete homes. Modern concrete homes often feature timeless design elements that transcend fleeting trends. Clean lines, geometric forms, and open floor plans are hallmarks of this style, creating spaces that feel both contemporary and enduring. The minimalist aesthetic of concrete is complemented by high-quality finishes and thoughtful detailing, resulting in interiors that are both elegant and functional. We'll look at how these timeless design principles are applied to modern concrete homes, ensuring that they remain stylish and relevant for years to come. Maximizing natural light, the role of windows and open spaces. One of the key features of modern concrete homes is their strategic use of windows and open spaces to maximize natural light. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows and skylights are common, allowing sunlight to flood interior spaces and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. This design approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the home but also promotes a sense of openness and connection to nature. In this section, we'll discuss how the integration of natural light plays a crucial role in the overall design and ambience of modern Sustainable features, eco-friendly design in concrete homes. Sustainability is a significant consideration in the design of modern concrete homes. Concrete's thermal mass helps regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Additionally, many modern concrete homes incorporate eco-friendly features such as green roofs, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient appliances. We'll explore how these sustainable design elements contribute to a greener lifestyle while maintaining the luxury and functionality of modern concrete homes. Interior design, creating warmth and comfort with concrete. While concrete is often associated with a cool, industrial aesthetic, modern interior design strategies ensure that concrete homes remain warm and inviting. The use of natural materials such as wood, textiles, and stone can soften the hard edges of concrete, creating a cozy and comfortable living environment. In this section, we'll examine how interior design choices, including furniture, color schemes, and decor, can balance the rawness of concrete with elements that add warmth and personality to the home. Outdoor living spaces, enhancing the connection with nature. Modern concrete homes often feature expansive outdoor living spaces that extend the living area into the surrounding landscape. Terraces, patios, and outdoor kitchens are designed to take advantage of the breathtaking mountain views, providing additional areas for relaxation and entertainment. These outdoor spaces are integral to the design of modern concrete homes, creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor environments. We'll explore how these outdoor features enhance the overall living experience and innovative architectural solutions for mountain terrain. Designing concrete homes for mountain terrain presents unique challenges and opportunities. Innovative architectural solutions, such as the use of cantilevered structures, reinforced foundations, and creative site planning, allow these homes to thrive in rugged landscapes. We'll delve into some of the most impressive architectural solutions used in modern concrete homes, showcasing how they overcome the challenges of mountain terrain while delivering striking and functional designs. Conclusion: the enduring appeal of modern concrete homes. Modern concrete homes offer a compelling blend of durability, luxury, and natural harmony, making them a standout choice for mountain living. Their timeless design, sustainable features, and seamless integration with the natural landscape create a unique living experience that is both elegant and practical. If you're inspired by the possibilities of modern concrete homes, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more architectural insights and design ideas. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned.